Hello, my name is Mike Worley, Chief Designer of Symboc Designs. Today I will demonstrate our amazing new product, the first module of our AI business automation suite. It's called the Symboc AI Content Agent that generates SEO-optimized blog posts for your WordPress website. Have a look at our Symboc blog. We use this product also. Each of our recent blog posts was created by the Content Agent. Look them over. Aren't they nice? The system not only created the text of the post, each post has an article that was generated by AI complete with a unique original featured image, meta description, slug, and internal links. It's automatic, an SEO-optimized blog post presented for your review. This product will save you hours. You don't have to think of a new topic, research it, and compose a new blog post. You don't have to find or buy a new featured image. The Content Agent does it all for you. All you have to do is approve and publish the draft. Now we will look at the guts of the system and run a new post. Here is the code that makes the Content Agent work. This is the topic script that defines 3 rotating topics. It has a unique key that the system uses to identify each topic, a unique name that identifies each of the 3 subjects, and a brief description that the system uses to determine a new and specific subject of the new blog post. Look at the first one. The key is SEO. The name of the topic is the necessity of SEO, and the brief is, explain why modern businesses need ethical, ongoing search engine optimization, including visibility, credibility, local search, content quality, technical performance, and measurement. This code helps generate a fresh, relevant article direction each time. Now, we will run the agent. We execute the run agent file, and a command window opens. You will never see this. It runs on our server, but we show this to demonstrate the process. The system connects with the WordPress installation, checks existing blog posts and internal links, generates featured image, and creates the draft post in seconds. Amazing? Now check your email. When the Content Agent runs, it sends you an email notification that the new post has been created as a draft, ready for your review. This email notification tells you the title of the draft post and where to find it. Now we go to our website to review the draft article. We log into our WordPress site and open the dashboard. Go to Posts and select All Posts. This opens a list of blog articles. Right at the top is our new post. Note that it's marked draft. Let's open up the draft and take a look at it. All the components of an SEO-optimized blog article are there, all without human effort until the article goes live. This requires human review and approval. As we scroll down, we notice we not only have new text, we also have a new featured image appropriate for the post, appropriate internal links, and the SEO information. This includes meta description, SEO title, and slug. How do you like that? The agent did everything, and all you have to do is review and approve it. Now, we publish the article and see how it looks online. Look at our new blog post. No one would guess that AI did this. Look at the new article and see how wonderful it is. One feature that is most impressive is the SEO optimization. It adds SEO title, meta description, slug, and internal links and more to the page. This is a big SEO plus that keeps your website current and thus supports your ongoing SEO efforts. I bet you couldn't do that or don't have time to do it. This AI doesn't replace a person. It just extends what existing staff can do in the time they have. Now, we will conclude our demonstration. Are you impressed? Are you ready to hire your first AI marketing employee? Imagine where your business could be 1 year from today if your marketing never stopped. Contact us by phone at 727-457-4426 or by email at info@symboc.com. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon.